Cheese tuna wonton. Prepare 2 pieces of 180 gram century tuna for our fillings. Open and drain the oil. Add the chopped medium-sized carrots. Chopped green onions. Chop 1 piece of onion. 3 grams of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of pepper and salt. Grate half a block of quick melt Eden cheese. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix everything together. Place the right amount of tuna filling into the Molo wrapper. Just brush the 4 corners. Simply fold the 4 edges to prevent leaks when frying. Repeat the same process for all batches. It's ready to fry. You can fry the cheese tuna wonton over medium heat, cooking until it turns light brown. You can now remove and drain it to remove excess oil.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!